I sit until the bus comes. I sit until the bus comes.
I drive until I find the place. I drive until I find the place.
I smile when I see you. I smile when I see you. I eat when I feel hungry. I eat when I feel hungry. I eat as soon as I get home. I eat as soon as I get home. I sleep as soon as I feel tired. I stay inside until it stops raining.
I read until I feel tired. I read until I feel tired.
I cook until the food is ready. I cook until the food is ready. I walk when the weather is nice. I walk when the weather is nice.
I cook when I am hungry. I cook when I am hungry.
I rest as soon as I finish my work.
I turn on the light as soon as it gets dark.
I play until it gets dark. I play until it gets dark.
I study until I understand. I study until I understand. I drink water when I am thirsty. I drink water when I am thirsty.
I study when I have time. I study when I have time. I eat dinner as soon as it is ready.
I clean the table as soon as I finish eating.
I wait until the store opens. I wait until the store opens. I wait until the light turns green. I wait until the light turns green.
I sleep when I feel tired. I sleep when I feel tired.
I stay home when it rains. I stay home when it rains.
I drink water as soon as I wake up. I start cooking as soon as I get home.
I take a shower as soon as I get home.